Right now at 5, the family of a man who died after a standoff with law enforcement last week is launching their own investigation into his death. Machine guns and explosives, that's what Milwaukee County detectives say prompted them to investigate Bruce Young. He was the man killed in a violent scene at 35th Street in Greenfield last week. They say those officers need to be under investigation.
Now that investigation sparked a deadly chase. Our Elise Preston joins us live now with more on what transpired. Elise.
Well, we sat down with Young's attorney, his family is in disbelief and distraught, saying they're launching their own investigation into his death. This is Bruce Young, the man investigators say shot and killed himself around the same time an ATF van chasing him through Milwaukee streets slammed into his body at 35th and Greenfield. The deadly scene shut down the neighborhood last Thursday, forcing this question about the timeline. Which violent action happened first?
That's the ultimate question, isn't it? And we want the answer to that question.
Wednesday, today's TMJ4 sat down with attorney John Birdsall. He's represented the 40-year-old convicted felon in other cases. Now he's working with Young's family.
They don't believe that he shot himself, and they want to know that somebody's going to be held accountable.
According to search warrants obtained by today's TMJ4, Waukesha and Milwaukee County investigators were keeping a close eye on Young after an informant tipped them off that Young was stocking up on explosives and assault rifles at this storage unit on Spayton Court in Germantown.
This is the search warrant.
And it paints a very different picture of what the family's attorney says was inside this storage space. Firecrackers, metal pipes, suspicious powder, all detailed in a list 2.5 pages long.
Do you believe that that was in his possession?
I have no idea if it was in his possession. If they say they found it, I'll take them at their word.
Bruce Young's family now trying to get answers on their own. And the attorney tells us after sitting down with DOJ investigators, the family is confident they'll get the answers they're looking for. Reporting live near 35th and Greenfield, Elise Preston, today's TMJ4.
Elise, thank you.